Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in toys and gadgets. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Orbeez Sensation Station on the market, the Educational Insights Playfoam Pluffle Sensory Station. If you're looking for a fun, engaging, and educational toy for your little one, then this is the perfect pick. The Playfoam Pluffle is not just any ordinary sensory material. It's soft, fluffy, and completely mess-free, making it ideal for both kids and parents alike. It comes with 2 colors of Playfoam Pluffle, a sensory bin, and 3 essential fine motor tools: a handy roller, scissor scoopers, and a collection cup. These tools help kids develop essential motor skills while having a blast. Whether they're sifting, scooping, or sorting, they'll be strengthening their hand-eye coordination and dexterity. One of the best features of this sensory station is that the Playfoam Pluffle never dries out. Unlike other play materials, it stays soft and fluffy no matter how long it's used. This means the fun never ends, and kids can enjoy hours of tactile play without worrying about it drying out and losing its texture. Plus, it's non-toxic, gluten-free, and nut-free, so it's safe for all kids aged 3 and up. But that's not all. This station isn't just for fun. It's a wonderful tool for early learning. With each squeeze, squish, and scoop, children are developing skills they'll use for years to come, like buttoning shirts or using scissors. It's all about creating a learning environment that's fun and interactive. The Playfoam Pluffle Sensory Station is also portable, so it's perfect for taking on the go. Whether you're in the classroom or at home, this sensory bin provides a great way to keep little hands busy while learning and having fun. You can even use it as a stress-relieving tool for older kids or adults. There's no age limit on the enjoyment this product brings. So, if you're looking for an engaging sensory experience that promotes both fun and learning, the Educational Insights Playfoam Pluffle Sensory Station is your go-to product. Don't miss out on this must-have for kids. Grab yours today, and let the fun and learning begin. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting reviews.